हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इलस्ट्रेशन 27। आपका ये इलस्ट्रेशन है सीएमए इंटरमीडिएट कॉस्टिंग का। प्रोसेस कॉस्टिंग हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। अब प्रोसेस कॉस्टिंग में ये आपको क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे, प्लीज आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे, प्लीज। अब देखिए आप क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन में क्या है, इलस्ट्रेशन 27 है, ओपनिंग स्टॉक है, डिग्री ऑफ कंप्लीशन है, ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द प्रोसेस डेज, ट्रांसफर टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस, यूनिट स्क्रैप, नॉर्मल लॉस ऑफ इनपुट, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक दिया हुआ है, इसकी आपकी परसेंटेज ऑफ कंप्लीशन दिया हुआ है, प्रिपेयर द इक्विवेलेंट यूनिट्स, प्रिपेयर द इक्विवेलेंट यूनिट्स। तो आपको इक्विवेलेंट बहुत आसान क्वेश्चंस है। सबसे पहले इस क्वेश्चन में हम करते क्या है, यहाँ पे आपको ओपनिंग स्टॉक दिया हुआ है ये, और फिनिश गुड्स ये दिया हुआ है। तो सबसे पहले आपको ओपनिंग स्टॉक्स कंप्लीट होता है, उसके बाद आपको फीफो मैट्रिक्स में बना रहा हूँ, उसके बाद इनपुट से कंप्लीट होगा, ठीक है ना। तो आपको सबसे पहले वर्किंग नोट आपको फर्स्ट निकालेंगे, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ फिनिश आउटपुट, आउटपुट फ्रॉम न्यू इनपुट, फ्रॉम न्यू ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम प्रोसेस फर्स्ट। ओके, तो आपको 9200 हमारा बना है। आउट ऑफ 9200, 1600 was opening stock, 1600 was opening stock. Then how much unit is produced out of these, out of these, this is the 9200 minus 1600, that this is 7600 units, 7600 units. Okay, now working note second you require to calculate, that is the normal loss. Normal loss is 10% of input, input is this, okay, out of this. Now calculation of normal loss, normal loss, that is 10% of input, input is 10,200, that is equal to 1020. In your book it is taken 1000, normal loss is considered to be 1000 here, it is taken. Okay, please try to understand here. Normal loss you have estimated 800, you have estimated, sorry, 1000, but actually a scrap is given here 800, actually a scrap is given here 800. Normal loss you have expected, you have expected normal loss, expected normal loss is 1000, but actual loss is scrap is 800. That's why abnormal gain, in this case there is a abnormal gain. Why? Because of expected normal loss is, expected normal loss, expected normal loss 1000, actual normal loss is 800. Then normal gain you have 200, normal gain you have 200, you have to keep in your mind. And this is the 100% completion in each and every components. Okay, now we have to, in this question, now we have to make equivalent production unit. In this question, what you have to prepare, you have to prepare equivalent production unit, equivalent production unit. Okay, now statement showing equivalent production unit, a statement showing equivalent production unit, a statement showing equivalent production unit. In this case you write here input, Write at particular, write at output, thereafter write material, labor, write overheads, overheads. In input, look at it. Input, opening a stock. What is the opening a stock you have? In question, opening a stock is 1600. 1600 is given opening a stock. Opening a stock is 1600. Okay. Thereafter, transfer from process first. From first process, that is 10,200. 10,200. 10,200. Now, opening a stock completed. Opening a stock completed. Opening a stock completed. That 1600 first completed that as per the FIFO method. This you write percentage, this you write units. This you write percentage, this you write units. This you write percentage, this you write units. Okay, please try to understand. In the case of opening a stock, what is saying? What is saying? Look at 70% work has been completed in last, 60% labor and 60% overhead work has been done in a first process. It means we have to work under this process. We have to work under this process. This is a 30%, this is a 40%, this is a 40%. Because in last process, this work has been done. This work has been done. That's why in coming process, we have to work this much. We have to work this much. Okay. In this case, what will happen? This is material that we have to work 30% and 60%. That's why in this case labor you have to do 40% and this you have to do 40%. The 1600 30%. What will be in this case? 30% of 1600. Like this you have to consider it here. 40% of 1600. In this case also 40% of 1600. So what will be in this case? That is equal to 1600 into 0.3. This is the 480. This is 640. This is 640. Now completed this in this process. Input and completed. Input and completed. Input and completed in this process. So what was the one unit? This was the input. This was the unit which is input in this process, which is introduced in this process and completed. That is a 7600. Completely produced under this process. Completely produced under this process means 100% material is applied in this process, 100% labor is applied in this process, 100% overhead is applied in this process. In this case 7600 you write, yeah, here 7600. This is your 100% material, that equal to 7600. 100% labor, that equal to 7600. 100% overhead, this is the 7600. Okay. Now normal loss, in this case normal loss, you had expected 1000 normal loss, but normal loss is 1000. Okay, now what is the closing stock in this case? Closing stock in this case is 1800. Closing stock in this case is 1800. Now you write here closing stock 1800 is the closing stock. Now what is the percentage of preparation under this process you need to calculate? Now the information is given, that is closing stock. Under the closing stock, 60% material work has been completed, 40% labor work has been completed, again 40% overhead has been completed. This is your work has been completed under this process. So material 60%, labor and overhead 40%. In this case, this you write 60%, this you write 40%, this you write 40%. Then 1800 into 0.6, this is 1080, 1080. 1800, this is 70, 720, 720. 720. Now total 720 plus 7600 plus 640, this is 8960. This is your 8960, 8960. In this case 480 plus 7600 plus 1080, 9160. Here it is a 9160, 9160, 9160. Please try to understand, this normal loss is ignored, this normal loss is ignored. That's why I have not written it. The recovery from normal loss is subtracted from any component, any cost of the either material, labor, overhead. I will make you understand in next class. Okay, 9160. In this case, what will happen here? 11,800, 11,800 here. Now 1600 plus 7600 plus 10 plus 1800, this is 12,000. Now abnormal gain minus 200, this is taken 100%, 100%. This is also minus 200, this is taken 100%, minus 200, 100%, this is taken minus 200, because this is gain, 100% gain is assumed. Okay, so what will happen here? 11,800. Actually I have invested 11,800 units. We have input 11,800 units. There must be 11,800 output. So this is a abnormal gain. 9160 minus 200. 8960. This is your 8960. 8960 minus 200. This is 8760. This is 8760. 8760. This is. So this is a statement of equivalent production unit. Question answer is also given here. This is your answer. 8960, 8960, 8760. This is your answer. Okay, and I have calculated this. I think you understand very good. Okay, thank you class. In next class we will do the next questions. Okay, thank you class.